To build a digital twin, it is necessary to centralize and structure reliable data within an asset information model during design and construction. Pablo allows you to capitalize on BIM data to create and structure the digital twin data from the design phase to enable operation, optimization, and maintenance of your infrastructure. How does it work? 1. Structure the asset register. Define the requirements of your future digital twin. 2. Feed the register. Record assets and specify them in the asset register. 3. Link 3D models and objects to assets. Import project information model and connect it to the asset register. 4. Share BIM data. Connect the tool to the client's asset register. Re-inject data into the BIM models. Why use Pablo? Design and structure asset information model at an early stage. Integrate asset data into your BIM models. Provide access to BIM object properties to stakeholders. Adapt your data model during the infrastructure life cycle. With Pablo, build the BIM data of your future digital twin.